What you in the morning, huh? Snub him. Oh, I love you too. Dexter in the morning. That's what you're doing. I love you. Oh, you love me? This is Dexter in the morning. He's loving his mom. You love your mom in the morning in the bathroom, don't you? All the time in the bathroom with my mom, see? You all done? Did you get enough? No? Okay. I have to do this all the time, don't you? All the time I love my mom. You love your mom all the time? Dexter, you're so funny. Are you a funny boy? Are you looking for spiders? Are you looking for spiders? What are you looking for? You looking for spiders? Are you done? Are you done loving me now? You done loving me? You ready to get a drink? You want water now? Here. You want a drink? Get some water now. Get your drink. You ready? Get it. Get your drink. You're not ready? Is it too much? Oh, there you go. He has to have his morning drink. I only drink out of the faucet. That's all I do. All the time. You're so funny. You're such a good boy. Dexter. That's Dexter in the morning. Well, actually, that's Dexter all the time. He's my big funny boy, aren't you? You mommy's big funny boy? Love you.